Hello everyone, this is your instructor Amar Chauhan, and we will be dealing together with digital prototyping for next four webinars. But before proceeding towards our webinar session, this session I am conducting just to I want you guys to follow a procedure. Okay, so while submitting the assignments of this particular session that which are going to handle by me, okay, this submission is having a certain format. Okay, so this format have been created just now, so I'll be sharing a file with you that is .dtf file. Okay, this is a template file. Basically what you all need to do is you need to just copy this file. Okay, and you will be going through the local disk of your computer, okay, or C drive. In that drive you need to just find out the program data folder. Okay, wherever you have before proceeding with this procedure, you must have installed the Protis 8 software. Okay, so after installing this particular software, you can add this particular file to your templates of Protis. Okay, so just go to program data. You will find here lab center electronics folder. Okay, so just click on this particular folder, lab center electronics. In that folder you will be finding Protis 8 professional. Okay, so just double click on it, go to this Protis 8 professional folder. In this particular folder find out the templates folder. Okay, now in this particular folder you need to copy and paste that file which I am sending it to you, that .dtf file. So I have already pasted it. You can see dig underscore proto dot dtf. Now what is the significance of this particular file is, let me go to the desktop. The desktop we can have the Protis 8 professional. When you double click on this particular software, it will open up. Okay, then when you click on new project, okay, for to prepare your design you all need to have new project. Just rename your project. Please keep it in your mind that you should rename your project with your group number itself. Only group number to be provided. Say group number 1. Okay, and let's say next. Now here there is the significance of that particular file we have included in template. Okay, so you have to create a schematic from selected template, then select this particular template dig underscore proto, click on next. Then if we are going through PCB layout using Protis, then and then only we will be playing with these options, otherwise we will be leaving it as it is. Then click on next, again finish. So you can see this particular template we have received on our screen. On the right hand bottom side you can see the digital prototype SY BTech 2021. Okay, थीम यहाँ पे आपका आएगा थीम का जो नाम है. ओके, देन ग्रुप नंबर जो भी है आपका, देन डेट at on what date you are editing this particular file. So School of Electrical and MIT Academy of Engineering should be left as it is. Then in roll numbers you need to edit all these roll numbers. Okay, how to edit it I'll let you know about it. Okay, so to edit this particular field, what आपको इसमें क्या edit करना है, theme edit करना है, group number edit करना है, date edit करना है और roll numbers edit करना है. ये चार चीजें आपको इसमें edit करनी है. ओके, ये यहाँ से इसके अलावा आपको कुछ और यहाँ पे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You need to simply drag your parts over here, okay, whatever components you want to add, and just take the simulations of it. Okay, so about editing this particular field, just go to template and go to master sheet. Once you click on go to master sheet, all these fields will be eligible for you to edit. Okay, but keep it in your mind, please don't edit the theme, group number, or subject name. Okay, anything you should not edit it. You should edit only the theme sentence, whatever the theme or problem statement is. You can edit this. Just double click on it and you need to just simply write your theme over here. Okay, click on OK. Just align it as per your requirement or as per the look. Then again simply click on group number, edit the group number. Okay, click on date, edit the date. Similarly, you should edit all these roll numbers. So roll number should be on your full form. Okay, SETA01, whatever it may be. So roll number should be kept in full form only. Click on OK. After editing this particular field and after clicking all your after taking all your simulations over here, just go to print and print design. So what you need to do over here is your design must be printed in landscape style. एंड हियर आपको यहाँ पे देखना है कि ये जो आपका स्क्वायर बॉक्स है ये सेंटर में आ रहा है कि नहीं. ओके, दिस पर्टिकुलर योर ऑल द डिजाइन शुड बी इन सेंटर ऑफ द पेज. ओके, दिस पर्टिकुलर पेज इज नथिंग बट A4 साइज पेज, सो इट शुड बी लुक लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, सो अभी तो मेरा प्रिंटर PDF है, आप यहाँ पे प्रिंटर चूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, HP LaserJet 1020. So I'll just take a PDF and I'll give it to you. Okay, now you all need to submit all these things, or you need to submit this design in PDF form itself. So while printing your design, just select this print to PDF option. Okay, then if you click OK, it have been saved somewhere. So I'll show you my PDF. See this particular thing. See, digital prototyping, SYBTech 2021, theme, group number and date. So all the things have been there. And यहाँ पे जो आएगा जो आपका डिज़ाइन रहेगा, so ये आपका रहेगा submission. Okay, whatever assignment will be floated under this particular webinar session. Okay, during this 4 webinar session, the assignment floated need to be submitted in this particular template only. Okay, so thank you guys, and follow all these things I have provided to you. Thank you.